Hi, I'm Nick. In this video, we will show you how easy it is to start building your new Squarespace website with a SquareKicker template. Have you purchased and installed a template? If so, then you're ready to start creating your website now. If not, you can jump over to our first video in this series, How to Install Your New SquareKicker Template, which will guide you from the template store to Squarespace to install your template. Okay, let's start building with your new pages and sections and create a website you're proud of in no time. Add pre-built page layouts to your site with these simple steps. Click the plus icon to add a new page. Open Page Layouts. Click the SK Templates button to see a selection of page layouts. Choose a page category. Select to add a new page. The new page will appear in your main navigation. Simply drag it to the Not Link section, or you can also add the new page directly into the Not Link section with the plus icon if you prefer. You can now start adding content to this page. Your template comes with a number of pre-built section layouts that you can quickly add to new or existing pages. With these sections, you can build your own pages quickly and easily just by selecting pre-built section layouts. To add a template section to your site, click Edit on your page. Click the Add Section button where you want to add the new section on your page. Click the SK Templates button. Choose the section category. Select to insert a new section into your page. As you can see, it's really simple to add your new pages and sections so you can quickly build a stunning Squarespace website. Thanks for watching. Are you curious to learn more about the SquareKicker design extension? We have tutorials and guides to help you through many of its exciting features and tools.